Chapter 4, Indices, Surds and Logarithms. So here are all the laws of indices, laws of surds and laws of logarithms that you need to know, as well as the general rule for indices, surds and logarithms that can all be used together in any combination in order to solve problems. Okay, for this question, solve the following equations. So if you see this, the base is not the same. So you see 4 and 8. So we have to change it to base 2. So 4 is 2 power of 2. X minus 1 equal 2 power of 3 bracket x plus 3. So you expand the index. 2x minus 2 equal 2 power of 3x plus 9. Then since the base is the same, so we can compare the index. So we write 2x minus 2 equal to 3x plus 9, and 3x minus 2x is equal to x negative 2 minus 9, so x is equal to negative 11. But for these questions, for the base 4 and 7, there are no relationship between 4 and 7, right? It cannot be right as a power of x equal a power of y like this question. This one, the base is same, which is 2. So we can compare the indices, but for 4 and 7 we cannot compare it because the base is not the same, and there is no relationship between 4 and 7. So what we can do is we just write log on both sides. Okay, this one just put log base 10. Then this index you can bring forward. Apply the laws of indices. And then 2x minus 1 divide x equal log 7 base 10 over log 4 base 10. Then this one you just press your calculator, log 7 base 10 over log 4 base 10, and you will get answer is 1.4037. And this one we just simplify it. 2 minus 1 over x. We will bring 1 over x to the right hand side. 2 minus 1.4037 is equal to 1 over x. So this one we get 0.5963 is equal to 1 over x, and you will find the value of x is equal to 1.6770. Solve the equations for third question. So here is the application of the surds questions. So this one is actually square root of 5 power of x power of 2. If you square it, you will get 5 power of x. Okay, now plus 3 square root of 5 power of x minus 10 equal 0. If you look it properly, it is actually a quadratic equation. So you can write it in simple form. So let y is equal to square root of 5 power of x. So y squared plus 3y minus 10 is equal to 0. You can see it is actually a quadratic equation. Factorize it, you will get y minus 2, y plus 5 is equal to 0. So y is equal to 2, y is equal to -5. So -5, we ignore it. So square root of 5 power of x is equal to 2. 5 power of x is equal to 4. So log 5 power of x is equal to log 4. Bring index in front. So log 5 base 10 is equal to log 4 base 10. So your x is equal to log 4 over log 5 base 10. So your x is equal to, press your calculator, you will get the answer is 0.861. For this question, we have to simplify 3x over square root of x first. So square root of x is equal to x power of 1 over 2. So we apply the indices knowledge. So you will get 3x power of 1 over 2 or 3 square root of x. So now we can answer the question. 2 ln 3 square root of x. You see, we have changed it to simplest form here, minus ln x plus 1 equal to. So this one, you can bring the index upward and you will write ln 3 square root of x power of 2 minus ln x plus 1 is equal to 2. Then we apply the laws of logarithms, minus, you will write it as divide. So 3 square root of x power of 2 divide by x plus 1 is equal to 2. Ln 3 power of 2 is equal to 9. X over x plus 1 is equal to 2. So ln is actually log e. So we can write in index form, 9x over x plus 1 is equal to e power of 2. 9x is equal to e power of 2x plus e square. So we combine and bring x to the left hand side. 9x minus e square x is equal to e square. So we factorize it and make x as the subject. So x is equal to e square over 9 minus e square. So press your calculator, you will get x is equal to 4.5868. So for this logarithm question, clearly we can see that the base here is not the same base. So first thing first, you have to change the base. So log x base y plus 9, we change it to base y, so we put 1 over log x base y. Okay, you see the base is changed now, equal to 6. Now we want to solve it, so we can write it in simple form. So log x base y, we can write it as n. So n plus 9, 1 over n equal to 6, n plus 9 over n equal to 6. So here you can see the fraction. So we want to eliminate the fraction. We time with n. So n squared plus 9 equals 6n. So write in general form n squared minus 6n plus 9 is equal to 0. Then we factorize it. N minus 3 equal to 0. So n is equal to 3. So we can change it back. Log x base y is equal to 3. Write it in index form. So x is equal to y power of 3. Questions 1 us to express y in terms of x. So you can write it as y equal to cube root of 3.